This here is this is a Sitka Spruce rootwad, and it's a fairly large tree. This particular one, the diameter on this one is it's around 36 inches diameter. Anyway, this rootwad, what you can see, one of the neat things about Sitka Spruce is they're able to grow in these kind of wet recesses in the terrain. This here is pretty much flat, but you still have kind of an undulating topography with recesses and raised microsites in the forest. And so Sitka Spruce can actually grow on or in or on the edge of those microsites. And then one of the reasons why they can do it is because the rootwad is so fanned out. Right? Whereas a pine tree, it needs to get down deep. The roots need to go, the tap roots need to go deep into the soil to get to where moisture is. Whereas spruce or the line riparian areas where there's high water tables, so they don't really need deep roots. They need roots that fan out. And you can just kind of get a feel for this tree being only around 36 inches in diameter. This one here is just another tree that's blowed down. So there must have been a wind event. And what you'll get is these trees that are high in the stand that have more exposed crown, they're a little bit more susceptible to blowdown. And especially trees that are in wet recesses, you may see kind of a pumping action in some of these trees. If you go around and you look at, if there's been a wind event in some of these wetter areas, you'll see where the mineral soil has actually been pumped out from underneath the root wad onto the mossy forest floor. You see that. You know that tree has gone through a fairly recent wind event, and it just churns all the mineral soil underneath the root wad into kind of like a soupy mud, and it just pumps its way through the crevices in the roots onto the moss on top, and you'll know what you're looking at. If you see that, you'll know what I'm talking about. Anyway, really interesting species, Sitka Spruce. Incredible species. Very, very strong, very, very lightweight. Extremely long wood fibers called tracheids, wood cells. Incredible wood for making craft paper. It's very, very strong, great for cardboard boxes. Incredible tree. We're very fortunate here in British Columbia to have so many of incredible spruce forests across this province, along the Coast Range Mountains in the interior BC. It's a fabulous species.